Rubel Hussain in the attack. Oh, pitched up. Says thank you very much. Down the ground. One bounce to the fence. Another one. This time he's thumped it over the long on for a massive six. What a shot from Mohammad Nabi. 10 of the first 2 balls that he has bowled Rubel Hussain. Again a short one. That's what he was attempting to do. And that's exactly what he has done again. 6 of 8 now. Short. Where is it gone? It's gone many a miles. Second here. What a shot. 6 more.
And that's the game. All over. A 3-match T20 series brought to you by Bima. Bangladesh Airlines has gone to Afghanistan, and because of that man, 31 off 15.
Top shot. That is a massive shot. That is a big shot. Deep in his crease, picked up the length very quickly and thumped it over the bowler's head for the match-winning 6. What a shot. Look at the reaction. Afghanistan wins the series, the bilateral series.